Take a look at this. Okay, so इसमें तो आपको नेटवर्क ऑलरेडी दे दिया, ठीक है. तो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज फाइंड आउट करनी. तो इसमें जो टेबल है वो वाला स्टेप तो बिल्कुल स्किप हो गया. आपको एक्टिविटी और उसके ड्यूरेशन है, पर आपको ड्यूरेशन, टोटल ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट कैलकुलेट करेंगे तभी कंप्लीशन टाइम, क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज, क्रिटिकल पार्ट वगैरह समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यहाँ पे जीरो है. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द फॉरवर्ड पास. ओके, यहाँ पे जीरो है. 0 + 8 है 10. Sorry, what am I doing? 0 + 8 is 8. I saw the 2 and I got confused. 0 + 8, 8. 8 + 20 is 28. 28 + 8 is 36. And 36 + 6 is 42. Okay? सिंपल ये वाला पार्ट का कैलकुलेट हो गया. अब बीच का जो है we'll do that. So 0 + 10 is 10. 10 + 16 is 26. 26 + 11 is 37. 37 + 6 is 43. Okay, so this is another one. Now let's do this part. Okay, so 0 + 7 is 7. 7 + 25 is 32. 32 + 10 is 42. 42 + 5 is 47. And जैसे मैंने बोला था, whichever is the highest number. Okay, so there's also another thing that we should be looking at. I'm sorry I missed that. यहाँ पे there's another activity I. We should also, before writing 42 over here, since we have two activities meeting at event 9, we should have calculated this also. So 26 plus 14 is 40. Okay, so 40 or 42 के बीच you choose 42 because it's higher. Similarly, 42 plus 5, then 42, 43, 47, you choose 47 because it's the highest. Okay, so now we know what's the total duration of the project. So we have a 47 weeks, the total duration. And now we go backwards and we do the backward pass. Okay, I'm just going to show the backward pass. So backward pass, so it is 47, we start with the same number. 47 minus 5 is 42. 42 minus 32 is 10. Sorry, 42 minus 10 is 32. 32 minus 25 is 7. And 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, I'm just going to go with the same parts again. So 42 minus 14 is 38, 28. Okay, so 28. 28 minus 10, so 16 is 12. And 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, so it's either 0, 2. So we take the smaller number anyway. So 0 will remain 0, but the process is this. So 47 minus 6. Okay, we take the greater number. Sorry, I forgot to tell you this. So ये वाला छोड़ो. 47 minus 6 is 41. 41 minus 8 is 33. 33 minus 20 is 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, and we take the least number, which is 0 over here. Okay, so now our critical activities are basically whichever is without any difference, right? So these become your critical activities and this becomes your critical path. So your critical path in this case is 1, 4, 7, 9, 10, or the activities C, F, J, L, the path that is formed by these activities. So these are your critical activities, and the path that connects all your critical activities is technically your uh, critical path. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to draw the network diagram. This is the fourth question. If you have any doubts in what I'm explaining, I'm actually trying to go a little quickly because this is a concept that we've already looked at. Okay, so that we can cover a little more ground today. But if you have any doubts, then please talk to me there, then and there, and I'll explain. Okay, but very simple questions these are. So as and when you practice, we'll be able to pick it up very easily. In case we don't understand, also don't worry about it. Okay, so the last question in the practice set that I had given you, all we had to do was draw the network diagram, determine the critical path for this particular project. ओके, तो एक्टिविटी 1 to 2 they've not given you A B C D, इसमें नोड्स दे दिया है, तो यहाँ पे समझ लो एक है वो नोड है। ओके, तो 1 से 2 जाने वाले में 5 वीक्स लगता है, फिर 1 से 3 भी जा रहा है, 1 से 4 भी जा रहा है। ओके, फिर यू हैव 2 to 5, फिर you have 3 to 6, 3 to 7. Okay, so you do 3 to 6, 3 to 7, and then you do 4 to 7. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक है, फिर 5 to 8, 6 to 8 है, तो ये दोनों मिल मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक इवेंट पे। फिर 7 to 9 है, 8 to 9 है, तो ये दोनों यहाँ पे एक और इवेंट पे इट्स फिनिशिंग। Okay, so now we know this. Abhi, I'm just adding the durations also. So 1 to 2 is 5. 1 to 3 is 6, 1 to 4 is 3, 4 to 7 is 4, 3 to 7 is 10, 3 to 6 is 7, 2 to 5 is 5, 5 to 8 is 2, 8 to 9 is 4, 6 to 8 is 5, 7 to 9 is 6. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, बस ये टेबल को नेटवर्क पे कन्वर्ट किया है मैंने। अभी हम फॉरवर्ड पास करेंगे। ओके, तो 0 से शुरू करेंगे। 0, हाँ, एक और चीज जो आप कर सकते हो इज नेमिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस। ओके, so you can start calling it ABC just so that you understand. Okay, so 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, ABC कर लो। फिर 5 is here, 6 is here, 7 is here, फिर 8, 9, right? So we call this D, we call this E, we call this F, we call this G, and then we can call this H, we call this I, um, this can be J, and this can be K. The same thing. So, or you can start left to right as. So let's call this J and let's call this K. Okay. This is further right than this. इसलिए मैंने change किया और कुछ नहीं. Forward pass में यहाँ से we starting with 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay. Similarly, 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Okay. And then we come to this part. We have 0, we have 3 here. We have 3 plus 4 is 7. We also have 6 plus 10, which is 16. You take the greater number, you take 16. 16 plus 6 is 22 also. So no issues in that. So 16 and 22, we choose 22 because it's the higher number. Anywhere else that I missed out? So 12 and 18, 18 is the higher number. Okay, so wherever you see two arrows meeting a particular event, choose whichever is higher in your forward pass. The total duration is 22 weeks. 22 weeks. Now we do the backward pass. Backward pass for finding out late start or late finish. So 22 remains 22. 22 minus 6 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, so we have one option of 9, but then you know this is 0 because it's the start event. वो रहने दो अभी के लिए। यहाँ से 22 ये वाला सर्किट बन गया, तो अभी 16 माइनस 10, यहाँ भी 6 है। फिर ये वाला पार्ट जो है, यहाँ पे 22 माइनस 4 है 18, ये भी 18 रहेगा। 18 माइनस 5 है 13, 13 माइनस 7 remains 6, and then ये वाला पार्ट बच गया। So 18 minus 2, right? H, मतलब 5 to 8 वाला 2, हाँ, 18 minus 2 is 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. But then this is the least, so you take 0. Okay. So now what you have to do is basically identify Wherever